Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy E Starks, and I am finally doing a apartment efficiency studio tour of our living space here in Miami, Florida. Our neighborhood is called Palmetto Bay. We are in South Miami, about 30 minutes from downtown, and I'm gonna let you check out our space. 325 square foot studio efficiency in Miami. Let's check it out. This is our studio efficiency right here. This is everything, 325 square feet. So let's take it one space at a time. Right here we have our living space. And so living, bedroom, kitchen, dining wall. I'll say a dining wall because it's not really like a dining, I don't know, room. And then of course the bathroom. So starting here with the living space, this is kind of like our electronic wall, I like to call it, because we have microwave, TV, coffee maker, and printer all against this wall. And I will say about 90% of the furniture in here is Walmart. And then we have like 5% Ross and a little bit of Target and Rooms to Go, but most of it is actually Walmart. So we're balling on a budget here and we made it work. So this organizer is from Ross and this table is from Ross. So the table was perfect to put microwave on top, and we have my clothes hamper on the bottom. And then this one has storage for things like medicine, coffee stuff, our printer stuff, electronics, stuff like that are in those drawers down there. Couches, Rooms to Go, and this little ottoman is from Target, and it's just a nice little setup. Like, it's super small, as you can see, like literally like that's me standing and boom, that's all the space that there is. But the mirror helps it open it up, and we did some decorations on the wall. So got some wedding photos up here on the wall, decoration there. This thing's awesome because it keeps our mail off of the table or desk, anything like that. It's just organized in this guy. And I got this on Amazon, so it's an organizer for phone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. So when I'm ready to leave, boom, 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 keys, phone, wallet, like all that's right here. Invite cards for church when I head out. Keep our can in here, which I'm not using because I don't have a microphone for it yet. So I need to get a microphone mount so that I can start using that. Bluetooth speaker, water bottle, basically everything you need to like head out the door, I keep right there. And that's it. That's our living space. It is what it is, and it's super awesome. My favorite part about the living space are two things. One, this reading light that's mounted on the wall so I can like read right there in the chair, and the fact that the windows are on this side. I love that it has a door window and a wall window, because if I don't have windows, like y'all, I would go crazy, fam. I would go absolutely crazy not having any sunlight. So moving on to the bedroom, the most important thing to me about a studio setup is separating the rooms. So the main thing that separates the rooms for us are, number one, these dividers. So this organizer is actually two separate organizers that we put together. They're from Walmart with these organizers, and it just gives it this cool look, you know, to the living room. And then, so this like is what separates, you know, bedroom from living room. So then on top of that, we did these three plants just for aesthetic, and then of course the string lights at the top. So all together it really helps to like separate, like that is the living room, this is the bedroom, even though it's one room and it's like, I don't know, 250 square feet and just this space, it separates the room. So over here we have a little desk vanity set up for my wife to do makeup. Of course, a diamond does all of her stuff. pharmacyus.com/ADiamondStarks, I believe, is where you can buy her makeup. And over here, just have a nice organized wall. So we did tried to like decorate each wall so it just wasn't bare in here. So we have these wood planks on this side, we have you and me on that side, we have the mirror and wedding photos on that side, prayer wall and mail on that one. And then the kitchen has scripture on the wall, Bon Appetit for the dining. So all the walls are just kind of like, I don't know, you got to make use of space, you know what I'm saying? So we have a diamond's necklaces there. She keeps her purse there. On this side, we have hooks for our backpacks, and of course we have another laundry basket here, so that's for my wife. And we did our thing with this closet, y'all. Half and half, all right? So shoe rack at the bottom to do her shoes, my shoes. Split the closet space, so her shirts, my shirts, or tops, we should say. And top, we have pants. So these are my pants, those are hers. Pants and shorts up top, tops there, shoes at the bottom. We got some tools in the corner, and we got some bags in that corner. And that's it. We made the closet work. So no walk-in closet, y'all. Ain't got room for that. 325 square feet, that's it. In these, we do kind of like everything else. So socks, undergarments, anything like that goes in these drawers. Super awesome, made it happen. So that's the main space, you know, living and bedroom space, made it happen. So this is from Walmart as well. It fits perfectly like on this wall. I didn't think we would have a dining space. I thought that we would just kind of eat, you know, on the couch. But my wife cooks, and she cooks well, so I love to have like a spot for us just to sit and eat, so it fits perfectly on this wall. There's no power here, so I actually ran power along this wall. These cable hiders saved my life to do the string lights, and then the power runs all the way to this side because there is power on that wall, but there's no power on this wall. So it was super dark, so I did this cool little light. Again, Walmart, that's from Target. And moving on to the kitchen. This is it, y'all. Like, this is it. This is our kitchen. Our kitchen is a wall, but we make it work, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, there is no stove and there is no oven built into this thing. It's just washer, dryer, and sink. So this is how we cook our food. We have a burner right here, and it works actually as well as a, you know, stove. But the thing that stinks is there's only two eyes, so you can't really do like a meat in two sides. You can do like a meat in one side. But hey, it cooks food. It does what it's got to do. Got our utensils, paper towels, sink, drying rack. And then this is our oven. So it's like an oversized toaster oven. It's like the biggest one you can get. So we can fit like a 12-inch pizza in there, or of course, cook things like chicken and fish and stuff. NutriBullet toaster. And then a griddle to make some pancakes on top. And so that's kind of the countertop space. This guy down here is pretty cool. It's super small, but it washes and it dries. So obviously there's not space in here to do a washer and a dryer, but this guy is a washer and a dryer. So it washes your clothes, then it dries your clothes, and it's a lifesaver. At least we can wash clothes, you know what I'm saying? So if we go to the cabinets, this one is our pantry, because we don't have a pantry. These cabinets serve as our pantry. This one has some, I don't know, kitchen electronics. These are like cups, plates, napkins, smaller kitchen utensils, spices, seasonings, all that are in these three. We go to the bottom. This is super cool because this corner piece pops out, and it's a rotational storage kind of cabinet, and so you can put all your pots and pans there, and it rotates in a circle so you can access them. Pretty dope. Right here, this is our utensil drawer. Found this on Amazon. It's like a space saver thing, so you can do knives, spoons, and forks all together. Soft close upgrade, you know what I'm saying? Let's do it. This has all of our cleaning stuff underneath the sink. So boom, that's the kitchen, you know what I'm saying? You don't have a stove or oven, get you a burner, get you a toaster oven, you're good to go. Cook some food, you know what I'm saying? Over here, we keep our knives up top, and then down below are our towels for the bathroom, because boom, it is right here. So bathroom, what's up, y'all? Hey, it is a good sized bathroom, you know what I'm saying? Like super nice setup here, built in for the vanity, I guess is what you call it, bathroom vanity. And we bought this white guy at Walmart to store all of our stuff. Super awesome. And this shower is like, it's a good shower, y'all. Like this whole thing is shower. Like it is a good size, super nice, built in. And we have like a stand here to hold all of our shower stuff. So bang, it works. It works. Did some decor on the wall, towel rack. Also did some more like towel stuff on the back of this door so that we can both have our towels hanging up and drying. Yeah, that's it. The only issue we have with this bathroom, was that there's no vent in it, so it would get super like steamy and hot and muggy and nasty. So we bought this guy on Amazon as well, and it's a dehumidifier, so it like sucks all of the humidity out of the air, so it's bearable. And man, it works, you know what I'm saying? It works. Everything we need is right here, 325 square feet. Didn't think that like it could look like this and it could work out like this, but hey, we have our living set up, you know what I'm saying? We got a microwave and coffee maker, got our bed set up in here. It fits, queen size bed, split the closet, and did some mirrors. You know, there's a mirror everywhere, like bathroom mirror, bedroom mirror, vanity mirror, living room mirror. Helps the space to feel bigger. Obviously love having the windows. That makes the space feel incredible, and like there's room to walk, you know what I'm saying? We made it happen. So if you looking at like a little space, I would suggest dividing it with something like this. Get you some string lights and some plants, like boom, like that is how you do it to separate your space. Find you a small kitchen table so you can still eat. Make your kitchen work however you got to make it work, you know what I'm saying? Blessed to have this washer slash dryer, and do what you got to do in the bathroom to make it all work. So that's it, y'all. That is our 325 square foot apartment tour, studio tour, efficiency tour. We love it here in Miami, serving at a church, a Brave Church. Check it out, bravemiami.com. Check us out at starksministries.com. And hope this video bless you guys. Give me a thumbs up, give us a subscribe button. Let us know how your small space works, or how you could apply this to a larger space. I love doing interior design. It's like a low-key talent, skill thing of mine. I don't know. You gotta do what you gotta do to make it work, you know what I'm saying? Deuces, y'all.